In this short session, I want to show you how to install Python, which is used in a lot of other of my videos and other tools we install, especially open source stuff. So it's a requirement. So just go to python.org/downloads, go to downloads, all releases, and then you find the releases here and you can download them here on the bottom. So I would recommend not using the newest one, make it a little bit bigger, because some projects have problems with the newest versions. So 3.12 here in my case on this date is very good to go with. So let's just download it. Click here, download, go down, and then you can choose here what you need for your system, macOS, Windows installer, and so on. I'm on Windows 11, so I used 64-bit. Just download it, open the exe file when the download is finished, and in my case it's already installed, but you will have just install button here. I click upgrade here now, and it's installing all necessary files. In the next step, I will show you then how to verify it is correctly installed, and also show you where the environment variables are set in case you have to deal with any kind of problems with wrong Python versions and so on. While this is running, we can go to start, type cmd, enter, and open a terminal. And I will show you, if you type ---- version, it is working because I've already installed it. So let's see, this is done. So you can do this as well. As soon as it is done, make sure you reopen the terminal if it was already open as mine, because this will normally not work, because then Python is not recognized. So wait until it is installed and open then the terminal. Okay, what else? If you go to environment here on start and then click edit the system environment variables, then go to environment variables here on the bottom. Then you can see here all variables set for your system. And what you need to make sure is here in the path variable, if you open it, that you got the entries for your Python version. As you can see, I have different ones, so you just have one. And yeah, then you can use it. And in case you got any problems, make sure here's the correct path to your install for your Python. This is also necessary for other stuff like Node.js and so on. So always check your environment variables. That's it for this video. If you want to know how to install Docker or Git, check out this playlist and let me know in the comments if we should do additional videos for other stuff.